Money exists. You don't need to create money. Money exists. You just need to find a way to tap into it. How to tap into that existing money. We don't need to recreate things. We don't need to reinvent things. You and me, we're going to get together and figure out a way to tap into that source. And that source starts by educating yourself and find a way to make money while you're sleeping. It's very important. Warren Buffett said it best. If you don't know how to make money while you're sleeping, you're always going to be a slave to money. Money doesn't think. Money has no brain. Hello YouTube, my name is Bart and welcome to my channel where I like to talk about my experience and my love for cars. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Thank you, and if you're new, please subscribe and smash that like button. Today's topic is the truth about COVID. Yes, the truth about COVID. COVID has exposed so many things about our daily life. Our healthcare system. Since COVID started, there's been a shortage of N95 and other hospital protective gears for our doctors and nurses. There's also been a shortage of nurses. According to the American Nurse Association, there's going to be a high demand of nurses until 2022, with more jobs than any other profession in the United States. Yes, relationship breakup and divorce rates are up since quarantine started due to money issue, infidelity, lack of intimacy. Have you heard of the term Corona baby boom? You know who I'm talking about. Yes, those lovebirds out there. What do people need to do when they quarantine with their loved ones, you know? Little rabbits. Been also people who found love via dating apps, you know, because they have more time, because they're not working, they lost their job, so they have more time finding the right person. Everything is not bad. You know, they're goods and bad. Businesses like J. Crew, JCPenney, Hertz, and most recently, Virgin Atlantic, all filed for bankruptcy. I mean, all filed for bankruptcy. Just to let you know that doesn't mean if you're in business for 1 year, 2 years, 10 years, 15 years, you know, doesn't matter. If you don't have a plan B, you're gonna fail. And that's what COVID is exposing. You need to always have a plan B or even a plan C or plan D. Career and finances. COVID has exposed another aspect of our daily life. A lot of people who have been in their job for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 15 years, 25 years, end up finding themselves out of job. The unemployment rate is off the charts. Daddy or mommy is at home. There's no paycheck coming in. What should we do? Are we going to lose our home? Are we going to be able to put food on the table? Those are questions that a lot of people in the United States as well as all over the world are asking themselves because of COVID. Those people who thought that their job was, you know, for the rest of their life, they're gonna work there and be able to retire, realize that, you know, that's not the truth. Now, can you imagine somebody who has been working for a company for 10 plus years and out of nowhere, he finds out or she finds out job or her job has been eliminated. Your skills are outdated, you know, now you have to start from the bottom, you know. Can you imagine also the people who were supposed to retire this year, put all their money in 401k and now realize that, oops, I don't have enough money saved to be able to retire. So this is very important. We need to learn from COVID. It's teaching us what we need to learn for a better future. We should not always focus on plan A. We need to focus on plan A, B, C, D until Z so that you always have a backup plan when something goes wrong. Guess what? In life, most of the time, things can go wrong. When you have a goal plan and you're trying to reach a target, it's not a straight line. Success is not a straight line. You're going to go up, down, left, right, But at the end of the day, if you recalibrate yourself to the target that you set, you're always going to find your way there. For example, when you're trying to go to a place, you put the address into the GPS and you get lost. What does the GPS do? It recalibrates. That's how life should be. You have to recalibrate. When you have some setbacks, you have to recalibrate to figure out where is your target, where you're trying to go. A lot of people put their life on cruise control, sitting there, relaxed, thinking that, hey, I'm going to retire from this job and then voila. Guess what? I have a message for you guys. Corona just exposed your vulnerability. Yes, Corona exposed your vulnerability. So you need to get up, think about a plan A, B, C, D till Z, so that you don't end up in a tough situation. Either you're married, you partner with somebody, in a relationship, doesn't matter. You always need to have a backup plan. And that's where my channel comes in. Channel talks about the things that I failed, I learned from my failure to move forward. One of the things that I will advise people to do is having passive income. Passive income can be investing in stocks or investing in real estate, and that's what I do. Since I discovered the power of real estate investment, I noticed that the sky is no longer the limit. Me, myself is the limit. You understand? Me, myself is the limit, no longer the sky. If I set my goals really high, okay, those are the limit that I'm setting myself. If I set my goals even higher, it's another target I need to reach. Always set goals that are way bigger than you can imagine. Set goals that scares you. Tell people they even scare or even laughing at you. But guess what? Even if you reach 5% or even 1% of your high goals, you're still far better than the people who set little, minuscule goals. Yes, set high goals. Even if you reach 15% of those goals, you're still way better than the average people setting low goals. So in summary, COVID has exposed so many things about our daily life and society. So let's try to replicate what other people have done successfully and apply that into our life so that we can be better prepared, learn from what we learned from COVID, and come up with plan B, C, D, until Z. Thank you for joining. If you find value into this video, please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And share this video with anybody you think that will need that kind of information to be able to change their life. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining.